From the control panel, in the section Frameworks Installer, you can install some of the most popular PHP frameworks on the web, like Cake PHP and Prado. To learn more about a PHP framework, you can hover over its name. When you choose a software framework suitable for your needs, you can click on the Install New Framework button, and then select the application that you want to install from the drop-down list. Also, you can install a new framework by browsing down the available framework applications. Just click on the Install link in the Actions column, and a new window will come up. Now, depending on the framework and its requirements, you may be asked to enter different details, but basically you will have to first choose a domain from your hosted domains list, and then choose the path where the script will be installed. Now, what's important to know, to install a framework to the root of your domain, leave only a / in the path field. Now, for some framework applications, like PHP DevShell, you need to configure the login details for the admin panel by entering the admin username, password, and email. Now, most PHP frameworks require a database where the data will be installed, so you can have one set up for you automatically, or choose one from the list of your databases, or create a new database on your own. Now, the database prefix option is simply used to organize data in the database and prevent one type of data from interfering with another. When you're ready with the setup, just press the Install button. A green pop-up message will confirm that the selected framework has been installed successfully. And now that's it. Now you know how to install a PHP frameworks from your control panel.